Kokoma now find out after he pikin don't call him, come help me from UK. Otherwise, they go take this granddaughter. He don't come, they come find out, say, he pikin. So, now, Ije Kokomo decide, say, make he go back home to Nigeria because he pikin is always going to be taken from her. No regard, no love. She don't know why, no respect. You understand? And she cannot say no. She cannot say no. She don't know why. The only way she can say no to her daughter is to leave the continent where she can ever feel better ticket to come to her daughter. Then she tell Issa and I, say, I'm going to go to Africa. So that number one, me myself will know that if my daughter asks me something, you give me, and I know feel buy ticket come. And the daughter now can never buy ticket to save her ass. You need the Kokomo to always feast her. So Kokomo check and balance it. This is how I'm just going to live my life. I ain't done without no love. My heart is killing. Just living my life. Everybody will say, you are disgracing your daughter. Daughter not they give her joy. Daughter not they give her the social media where she goes still say, make I just use them. Buy you wear a momo. I won't me Yawari Africa. You make it now your rest. So now she tell they say he want money, money give her money, may take go do business, may they go Africa. He say when he come put when he fed talking for his ass, you understand? He pikin where they talk now say, I thought my mother don't do it or worry, no. But after he don't do and put a account number of somebody where they house for Nigeria, he pikin tell and say, why he not put his boyfriend though? May put his boyfriend Nigeria account. He can say, your boyfriend I not to know. If anything happen just now, I know if he speak drama. Ou avez-vous measure? No, I rather put account of somebody I know that he can never betray me. You, he say inside yeah, talk and so. Say you, my pikin, emi go are ne ban wa betray me papa na o engu me gun. Ewo, igu we do ke me go. Okay? He said that one way he not do. He pikin vex around. Anything stupid, this you don't have sense. You are so silly. You are so this. You are so that. He pikin, you know, say pikin go they speak Oyibo for him go they speak Benin for he pikin. So, that is the reason Ije Kokomo say if they go Nigeria, number one, if he go Nigeria, he get house, he no go pay tenants. Number two, every grass where the Nigeria na food. To buy meat food no go be problem. Number three, that they do TikTok from home. He go they do it TikTok they go. Number four, he go that sickness of hey, boy he go come on for a man because you hear me go ya ticket boy at Italy. He no go see money buy ticket for emergency. And he know he picky. He kobore fuani. That time he go also get them for mine. Say nobody they use them. Don't be the one who say, waiting in metal, he picking go call and come on for that thing. At the end of the day, he no good. Now he go still get. Now he saying go Africa. Only Africa he go fit to tell picking. No. And say, don't tell your picking, no, continue. He say, oh what? Oh, he kolo. He kolo. Because ovinye eginye someone. Ovinye eginye be na itaba na ze yewe. Ovinye son ovinye bet ora niti jobo. Iye na pakekano. Bet ora iwas liye neni jobo ne. Owa ovinye be na evi na ne yevi e wason. Ye oni ari Africa yen ko biegbe ne. Nege ki tinye do ya we negbe. O ya we negbe ne. O mouye fo. E we joboni. E we susu. Yen ba me plan. So kwen rien. O fo. If he put back for grand, he begin go fit take money inside without he not tell her, he don't know how he take work on. But if he use that money, take buy a gift for young man, na problem for young picking. But if picking never call and one day say, Mama, how you do? You like a gift, I want buy one for you, may you shop. If he even cook ordinary domi, or we domi €2, or vignon, or you, or you cook a pot or sameyo. Ewe mommy, why any lock padai? Emi na yo, okay, he yen be. Africa so why she say she not go work again? She say all her life she have been working and this speaking in the shopping. She no fit get any work without this speaking no shopping. Money where you know the shop for himself and this speaking. He must get one problem or the other. If he no work again, okay, see your boy now. She been a donation in the do now, you not really see. Donation where you no kokomo really they do so. You know say as a pekin take put the body. That is the reason why my people. So I will not see. The reason why he say he want go as he need peace. Ni egegia. Odeo. Ove do gbe o. Ove do talo o. O ma like yin o. O ma like ona o. Egbe o. Ewo na o. O disgrace me. Ebe sa no gbe yin. Yangwa, a family with Enamo, Yabu. On many sakpan of Winje. Yangari win over Tinyevo. Or Tinyevo, or Beponia, Uvinga Beponia, Uvinga Beponia, ye mail that's time living you. Or I need to go in, or I need them in it, or I need to not yet. Ye wan wina ye wa zeno bebonya ye gi wina o ye gi wina ye Africa ye me go ni ascend bioma o my love ye mo win ye tota egbe yo hin ye gi ya o mo pa gi pop ye gi gwale go ni ya pay wo kwa o ye 5 years ye gi gbe bo win ni o ye 2 years ye gbe bo win ni egbe wa win. Because the one way they so now, everybody go say, go and walk. All the work where you don't work, who they shop on? Now picking where they cost on. Good thing they use go walk. Wishing they walk now. The picking they leave and say, I don't go call you again, get out. We are what's my walking. Oh, what me go be here? Oh, what you in there? Oh, be here. Wetin they do follow a pikin, none of una go fit do and follow una children. Ogo madia no vi oviyenjinyewu. He say only 2 months of her life. Now she don't ever stay under a child. We invite her say, come help me. He come out her from work. Everybody say, you come out for UK, you come Italy or where mono. Ugbebo iwe ya mi yomo wa when you. Yaragbon agbamio amiovi momo yagi o digo ni kwalo e ya de irene nia ovi me gume be myself ovi me kwe ovi me happy me e kwe odo agbe or you know e yan same yo to e gbe o hien e gbe we na hin wan go so my people hand over to una. This is the reason why she said she want to go. She said she cannot be in this abroad and be working that her daughter. Nah. She be her daughter really get belly. Ooh. Oh, you're going to no my will say, oh my bogbe, or te bon even at TNA or maybe. What geleo? Abiu na one can go carry yonu kokomona mona go do human hair for ye mona come make up and mona come silifit man mona come carry body silifit and make pikin for like her. Abiu na one do one for a pikin where they share for a mother. Mona come talk of why semena pa maybe me reason her like that. Maybe you now you have a way out. For me, when she gets to this point, of the discussion, I weak. I weak. Because she really has sense. This is the only way she can solve this her problem. Many people say, block her. She can't. Iyanuko Komo cannot. Iyan Ipiki not the place. So where police say, why am I? Oh, yeah, Colonna. Because, you know, yeah, guys in the way say that they call them for a family. Oh, walao, or serious. Not be today, start that kind of thing. Now, people will get phobia about this, they are one picking, one die. And that pikin really use the mother, use it against the mother. How can a child invited a mother from UK to come be nanny to your pikin? Otherwise, they will take the pikin away. Mother really rush, leave everything and come. Only for you to start to share be with her, treat her badly, go to toilet and call her to go and clean it again. Who does that? Meanwhile, when your own stupid boyfriend enter there, fear not go let anybody talk, not even you, Osawugwe. But your mother home must be perfect. And now you invite this dirty woman, according to you. Now you invite this woman when not they give you joy, but her money na your resting house. Now you make a move. The only way you no come saying go here, he pikin go say hello mama. Something they happen when you go fist closer and sleep soon. Now when he day where you not get money to take transportation. You know you got anywhere ni ana itire negin ya zin Monica. Egin ya zi emi no wiye wiye o se ni ya lebe mi ma egin ya zin. Bebe ni you say if you need disrespect, if hatred, you increase. Imagine you. Where one masse. Me borrow you go to where the when no masse. Wo borrow you go to be me. You go me. Oh, what be. So this is the reason why Ije no go come say she will not work, because if she work, her daughter is going to use it.
Sensible, the most reasonable, the most professional, the best in everything she does. That's who you are. I applaud you.
Thank you.
I applaud you, Cookie. Thank you very much. Thank you for your good analysis. So you have thrown so much light to the dark part, which we be unable to see. Thank you for the light, and it's a good one. It's just it's a perfect decision. If not,
they say go back to UK. She said she go back to UK. If he pikin call her again, you will be baby. No be
Nigeria. Nigeria. You can go come now. What change? Oh, what change? Oh, you are a good, responsible man. Yeah, I mean, what's in Nigeria? Oh, what change?
I don't know. Oh, but this is the reason why she wants to go.
Oh, change. There's going to be a great changes in her. I swear, because of you are so tall. Or you are so tall. I'm not you more right from now. I have to say, age no wajena. Oh, I have
he said when he want bring a pikin come abroad, even when the pikin was 21 years, after they don't do paper, my pikin go Lagos come. He say pikin say, hey oh, he out there, I never go before. I'm not going alone. Yeah, no come say he come back, going and coming tickets.
For another person.
Why you are gonna you go we nana wa mi go sabwe wa o wa ya back me you go or le go nothing or le go nothing stupid. You are stupid. You are very stupid. You don't know anything. Or where you don't know anything. He build us. He carry us away. He carry a brother. He carry the one with that. He do this. He do that. He get driving license. He buy motor. He stupid. Oh, so we not stupid. We ain't see. I here go no. Etomo, Ojorian wagin wagu. Ye wagu. I didn't know that being was some good or Yahweh. He said when he come, they beg money for social media. when una go say, go meet your pikin, he say whether anybody wanna come out. If he ever tell una say, no, my pikin say he not go give me, oh, ye now be here. Eti time when no we job me where. He said when he cry for Mama Blue platform. The reason why we cry be say one, he not be no say Mama Blue go even talking on way good. And again, because he no go fit tell people say eti te o wa ni nario wa eti mate ni yawu all the stress we I dey so na pikin put me o wa we yin ri sieve na ge emoki eri yin take aje begbe na o yin he say na him make am come dey cry say eti mate your bow ni na ri beg na because he only ario wa so gbe ma ge gbe o me. But again, again, you know,
after 3 years, let's just give it 3 years. There will be changes. We're not here.
So you were supporting on your one?
Yes.
Okay, I will call a mona they call you made the year now.
Okay, Mama, me have a support. You even support with you. You have a support with Tigo. You have one go pin. Oh no, cannot have work. Where's Mama? We know can me support 100%.
Okay. Bye.
Where's
Oh, Becky Omoti, he said, this is what my son has been doing to me. I am so surprised seeing Frank Victor, who joined Mama Sharon, is now supporting another person's daughter. I don't think it's Mama, I don't think it's Frank's fault, please. Don't take it against him. No. You understand? Nah, iye no kokomo go do you something, you go want do am. Because iye no kokomo also everything in the mouth just that it no good make picking doing like this. Iye no kokomo also character over other people is so bad. She's such an ungrateful woman. I sit down here, I go talk. Thank you, Mama. We are hearing you.
Hello, good evening, ma. Good evening, Mommy Monica.
Good evening.
Good evening, everybody. Can I contribute, please?
Yes, yeah, everybody can contribute. That's the two reasons why she said she's going to have said it.
Well, first, I want to say I'm sorry for all the trouble. I just pray that she will find solution. But going back to Nigeria, I don't think it's a wise idea.
Okay.
Yeah, my reason is like she has a trauma bond with her daughter already.
Mm-hmm.
And whether she's far or near, it will not stop the trauma. The trauma bond is something.
She said when she gets home, she will have a family. Then her mind will also come down that why also walk back. He said the way also occupy her head now and also make her crazy is too much. She need to go home to feel the love of the people, making relax.
Mama, I think she's trying to look for the simple way out. And it will not sustain for a long time. If she can go to Nigeria after 2 months, she'll start still worrying about the daughter. Because the daughter will not stop calling anyway. People send money from Nigeria, they borrow money from Nigeria to abroad to give to their children that pay school fees. They do that. Hello?
We are hearing you.
Yeah, it's a very complex issue. It's very difficult because it's a long time thing. You know, it's very easy. It's a way escape, but that route is going to be very temporary. And you know, after some time, she'll be hiding it from people. You start overthinking. The depression will not be over, especially when she want to have a baby now and all that. When she knows the weakness of her mother. So, a lot of things, because of that, probably she will be going from church to church. After some time, she will not tell anybody. So, I just believe she needs to work on herself first. If she want to go back to Nigeria, but she needs to first of all work on herself. You know, she needs to try a possible way to see that God has created her daughter. As everybody came to this world by themselves, she came alone. She needs to really maybe go for help, counseling or therapy, or leave this busy, sorry to use the word, do circle that I always speaking to me.
On that one, not they let them live.
Yeah,
Hey, when they don't present and leave a door space.
She's in a very tough situation. Everybody can say what they like, but the woman is traumatized already, and it's not easy. All this temporary cure, temporary paracetamol, people take like a simple way, easy way out. Easy way out is very easy, but it's the most difficult thing. Because Nigeria is not the way Nigeria should see Nigerian before. And she can also try it by, she have passport. She can go to Nigeria for 2 months and relax and see how it works. Not just move once. Like go stay 3 months, come back and see. If she has a place the police or the government gives to her, that they give her in Sally, she can like go home, look for, professional counseling, to help her. Her energy she's exhausted. And nobody should beat her for that. I don't
She
think...
was even adding it on her own daughter greediness.
Yeah.
Our own daughter greediness or social media donation make her to bring her mother to Franvito.
Yeah, but that girl...
Mothers, be careful, your bad character, if your picking use on you go almost by... Being ungrateful to everybody will do good to you. You see how ungratefulness the pain person, see what your daughter is doing to you. What you do to others, no, you wear the I go my summer or
Mommy,
you see your daughter use it on you is very painful.
Mommy Monica.
Yes.
This woman has been going through this trauma for a very long time.
Very long time.
When somebody is weak, they want to lash out their strength on other people. Like the way you're saying that she's disappointing other people or regarding other people's efforts in her life as rubbish. That is the energy she's getting. That's who she is. You cannot give what you don't have. She has become like that. She has become like this. It's a long suffering. She has so many stories she has not really exposed.
There is other story she even exposed. When person is angry, you say something, but those one I don't feel is for public. For me, those one I just leave it for them. It's not for public. We don't need them. But when you are angry, you are furious. Like he picking talk for that side, say, "Your mama they shit for body." It wasn't needed for the public, but because they are angry, they go into but it's okay. Me, I will not say the way mama talk.
The character in that girl's life. As a child, we forbid that kind of. No matter what your mom do to you, you should never, ever do what she's not supposed to do what she did. But I'm thinking about the mother right now. I think that's the main issue. Because that girl have a boyfriend, they console each other, she can get away with a lot of things. But her problem now is the decision you just talk about, like whether to go home or not. It's up to her, she can decide it. But I'm thinking from my little experience that I observe in this matter, is a trauma bond. It's going to be very difficult. Everybody can say go to Nigeria and everything, blah, blah, blah. That's why you see people just think, they'll just die.
Okay. Thank you, ma. Other people are calling. Yeah.
She can give it a try, not just go permanently. And just look for something to separate her. The noise is too much around her. She needs to just seek for other help because she really needs to get out. She needs help. She's crying for help already. She needs to be happy, have that peace. She's panicking. I don't know. You know what I'm trying to say. That, that's just my little bit of advice.
Okay.
And
thank you, Mama.
Be strong. Yeah, God will help you. This is very difficult.
Thank you.
Okay, Mama.
Okay. So other people were trying to call. You all can call. Hello. Oh yeah, small. Everybody, chat. A lot of people calling. Hello.
Good evening, ma.
Good evening.
I be want to contribute for the matter when you
go ahead. Go ahead.
Okay. My advice is that she go back home. I think she need break. Yeah, and her daughter, they need to give some space to each other. Now everything will fit this. So if not, she and her daughter, you'll be now one feels die. Or both of them.
His daughter not the feel am at all. His daughter not the feel am. Mona go donate for his daughter. He know the feeling. So far we or one kia. They no say go in wina na who.
No.
Imagine picking where they you go they complain. Say before I come back from work, my mother not they clean. My mother not. Wa keke be money amula wa. Wow, wow. Never want to lie.
If it happened to me, this kind of matter, if it happened to me, that's why I said.
We know no joke. Your mama will come to ask girl who bring you come abroad. Don't be say you even feel provide better thing now. Where who do while you rich now your mama they do ask girl follow you. You even they borrow your mama money.
This kind of
and you want me they do ask girl follow you. Osawwe. A family waku be baby very and me gwalu be they toy otene ijenu kokomohe.
So this guy thing happened to me and my son. So I think I send a go boarding school. Me and him, not be say I no love him, but we have to go. I also say, oh God, it was very difficult for me. It was a hard decision for me, but it was the best at the end. The new come back house now after 4 years, he stayed for Nigeria, they stay for boarding school for 4 years. Because every day quarrel.
How old was that your Peking that time?
It was 10 years. Going to 11 years. Now he's back home.
Wow.
15 years. He stayed with them for 4 years. But now everybody is happy. I nearly losing that hatred. I said, no, I will end up hating him. You will also end up hating the mama. I said, no, you have to go. But it's a very, very difficult decision. I think Mama Kokomo make the best decision. With this, I will support her. Please, Auntie, if it's possible for you to post the account number, please. Anything she did to you, please forgive her. Please, you're the sick of God. She needs it. Because if anything happened to her, now we will start crying. Oh, you don't look up, come on. Now he's still alive. Please, she needs his help. Let's help her out.
Okay, another person is calling. Thank you, my lady.
Okay, no problem.
Hello? Hello?
The moment Monica.
Good evening.
For me, I want me to go Nigeria. You know, Ariowa. I go to Isa to make a way, man. From my fellow, you know, Ariowa. I'll be able to lie of the Salabaleco. I'll be able to put out a back in the arcade of Bobo. Ariowa, back to manager, why I wear. Yahweh, do what will you money not continue life. Why would know when I am of Pano, or whichever my year. I don't want to get power of ye. I will take your root that will power of when I will take your any. I want a woman waving of Pania. Why do you want to do react back with Faruta, Bonamudia, Webo, Sakami up? When my more when I said, not when I'm you. Then when they tell a jam where you were now, Anya Jen, Moya Poto, Anya Jen,
you know, tired. We are getting me now, okay, the echo so.
Friendly, and your dog, where? Oh, it's when I put on the neighbor friend to wait on share. When I'm here, a Panama, you were, oh, yeah, next well, paper, I'm getting you were, or the Canada walk.
Meanwhile, you're not Gigi.
Not that one, you are going to swear Gigi out.
Meanwhile, you're not Gigi, you are feel what you will not get dirty sagging away.
I'm not saying what you are boss when you want, why be out. But now you don't pepper, Mamma Pepper, to where
oh, you just look up among your baby friends in it. Young friend or Papa with TikTok at where, La Madame. You get look up among or yet being a Latina who carry a book.
Oh, why did you wear a friend to wear my friend to not baby wow? Oh, I'll stop you. That what is he might be a master. Happy. We have your mama. If Papa keep it with it, you go come out of one Yahweh. Yahweh, no gear. Or Mama Chill, show your head where. I'm already on the time I block a head. We're not here with dogs. I will follow print. If you ever wear it, if you're not by my cocker, or when my home not there, I look back for it, I just have one who let up the man about it, boy, who were very shallow way. He just we are making us out. Where you get my picture, Mama, which will carry. I could use a political rope to put me the press. Don't want to be a shit of what die. Which way walk when I bury when you have no saga to teach. If you me go where me go. How could not do for me, not do for my mama? Come for me, come for my picky, where you can't found. Where? The king where mama can call you run, I call the pity mama for trips. Oh, where you walk in the other who wish you. Yes, I go, I went to my PP. That's all poor, I tell you, where he had to wear a share, you don't give.
And with a black eye without a proper explanation. Okay? Because if you carry this eye, so you use a heat ground, not be so, it's the black. Except something hit you inside this eye, now they be like waiting happen to Iyenukoko. And most time, a correct blow, now they touch your eye like that. So I knew there was something. And even before now, once upon a time like that, you know, this woman wanted to really complain about her daughter. Remember, I just came to UK that time. You don't say during COVID time. She wanted to complain this her daughter that time for bad character. But we can't beat and pursue and enter us. Carry your pikin enter, carry your pikin enter, carry your pikin enter. Okay, so you know, say she thought, say she dey go home. And everybody say, don't go. What are you going to do at all? This, that, you go here and you take by yourself. Then, for the people where they keep on saying that, why will she leave UK and come to Italy just like that? If you stay hear the truth and you continue to blame her on that, because some of you, if first message come out, if they come they do now the right one be the way you know one because ne that book is so na keke wa agbale no waya setwe. The reason why she came from UK to Italy, it wasn't because she don't feel live for UK again, no. It wasn't because she don't get where to stay for UK, no. In short, to my own surprise, even UK be don't give and cancel us. Okay? But then, the pressure from her daughter was just too much, which she regretted why she allowed it to work. When little part of, I will go back home, the listener. Okay? So, Iyenukoko say, since we bring her daughter come this abroad, all she only wanted for her daughter is to win, is to pamper her, is to make her support her, to be a better person. That's what she have always wanted. The UK where she come, where people they say, why you go regular, or we go money where she spend to take they try to do paper, both the clean one, both the underground one, for just her daughter to enter UK. As he do the one of a visa 3 times, it no work. Go do DNA, it no work. She wanted to use underground also, or semana agbi never no really but he say it no work. He said, but some of you now, una just say this type of thing when you do so, na couple, na under 2 years, na under 6 months. He said no, na years. And all the money in work in some years, he go just go through a daughter process without he no go see anyone save. Why? Because she is trying by all means to make sure say her daughter just come meet her for a year. He says so all those years when he take fight to bring her daughter come, na money she spend, she know they ask her daughter nothing. Okay? But it no work, it not just work. Because they say one thing or the other. Okay. Then another one again. Even before she go UK, when she go UK 8 years ago. Yeah? She left to UK because her daughter did a terrible thing to her, but yet he not still cry, come on. He just still feasting. She had been feasting thing, follow her daughter. Okay? Wait, be say no one thing her daughter don't ever face for her. She says this is the only 2 months of 12 years, I be 11 years, where she take bring her daughter come abroad, where she don't ever live under her daughter. But no be say na her daughter they feed out. Just say, okay, now my daughter, na I rented this house before I come finish. He said this is the only 2 months, but his daughter say 4 months. But Iye no ko come say it's 2 months because she don't come on since. Only 2 months. Now she don't ever take say na his daughter hasn't day so. But yet the worst happened. All these years of 10 years and 10 months, where his daughter take day abroad, where it can't be saying now only 2 months it take accommodate her inside 11 years of her life. The rest 10 years and 10 months, she's always involved in her daughter's life. She's always involved. Before anything they happen to her daughter like this, he don't buy ticket, he don't go. If they go Italy, then na jobi go na money and na true. Really not true. If you are just working basic work for this UK and you keep traveling up and down, who go save? Sorry, who go save? So she said, when she came to UK 8 years ago, before that 8 years, Oyibo where she get that time, or where he gets, he use his mama a name to give them whatever dominion, imagine wayata dominion, like address, like a house, okay? Where they did. As they come there, he tell he pikin say, I want go Germany, go work. Before he go Germany, come back, he pikin now he take follow Liberia man. He pikin no even fit keep his ass. They say for Italy, when you get those type of fat, nobody there, people can break in and start living there, it's finished. And if the people even come kukuma get pikin, it's finished. You can't drag it because you yourself, maybe your name not there, not through somebody you be there. You understand? He say na so it be. Na another day, nine they take do the way they take there. When he can go Germany, make it go work. Before he come back, he pikin run follow Iwie Liberia. He leave house. Then before they come, Oyibo people enter there with pikin. She can't even drag it because no be her name they take carry am. Then be they live under the day we don't die. So all the property where she get before she travel, he said they throw away many, they steal many, and that's how she lose that one. But you, now so we person where they UK, we be sister, tell say me she come UK. If you come, you go see, you know, not be like UK come tight after some year. That 8 years ago, Iye no kokomo came here. It wasn't rush like that anymore before, you know. So he said now so inte come here. Since he became don't already deal with Liberia people, he live and there in go, but in they always call. Now so in go they walk, in go they come. Anything he picking they task like person with the Africa. And then they always give. Because he no one make it suffer. Now from UK here they buy clothes, all those leggings, Nike, this, Adidas, everything, go reach where they wear. If they buy and go give Pikin, but Pikin never ever buy and one day. He no even care for those ones. They make everything just go say, he be fit carry and come the UK, make all of the deliver one. But he no work, all his money, he no work. Then, he say, when he go there, when he there UK so, he Pikin go dey call am. Mama, I dey work. The boyfriend where he can't get, so after Liberia man don't go. The boyfriend where he get, so he dey work. We know they see who they go pick our daughter for school. If she close, you can't be like say, they there, oh, I go they rush this the make I not come lose my job, or I go lose the pikin, make they not come take her. You know, he says so in with the pikin talk with all those funny way pikin take they talk to her. What do one can do now? He say both he be her daughter and the so-called new boyfriend, so we be Benin boy. Now the guy that talk say make it no kokomokon. Say they will prefer just come, may you come they take care of. May you come the help us, they carry the pikin, they go school, they help us take care of her. It will be better. When you come, we give you what they call that address. We plan and we do this. Say they talk am for telephone. He looks so smart. He say he no go fit sleep. If at the end of the day, government collects her granddaughter as it can't be so, he go really come. He said now she take go back to Italy where everybody see. Go meet her daughter to the airport. He say he really he start to they pick the pikin for school and they really they help like that they go work. At first, everything look good. You know, say no man, so they be person newly start to they live with each other. You go look good until everybody character go they open up. So she said at first, the whole thing look like wow, good planning. Then she now what she go come they do for Italy since she they carry pikin. She no go fit go the work. But she say since she go they stay on her house, she know they pay house rent. I go look for small business they do. Okay? Which is a kisai where and a kioka and a kie. Isai where market, granola market, corn market, and the fry meat. Okay? So she say now she can they do the market. But the frying of meat when day when he suggests to a pikin say he want to the fry meat join her to the sell for people. He pikin can say that one go be gas. He go they take electricity of gas, you know, to cook. He go to dear if they bring her come. She say now she tell pikin say how much you not fair they pay for the electricity. He say 50 euro. Now he can tell pikin say okay, anything where can fall on top of that money, he go they pay am. But he not go just fit stay say make he no dey turn money for hand. You understand? In the suffer doing small TikTok thing and they turn him money round and round for hand. He say pikin be no green, but they can say make they try and if the money too much, you go stop. Oh, they not go green. Oh, he say okay. So as she can't really do the first month now, they can bring 80 euro for light bill. He say pikin be just don't shout, say, hey, 80 euro. Now so I tell you, he say, yeah. I tell you, say, if he pass, no problem, I go pay. Because I still they use until they see gain so much. I not go fit stay, say I not get anything where they do. So he said, now he carry the 80 euro, now he give a pikin. But a pikin because say no, the boy also say no, may leave one. But he can insist say may they take. He want make it pay. He say because he want peace. So he can't pay them. Fast forward to where everything just starts, while later maybe I feel they touch the resting. Unpleasant situation was there where a pikin control a mother like a time it can't be like say a pikin and that boyfriend, especially the boyfriend, they really you don't really need the yenu kokomo there again. Maybe due to yenu kokomo is local according to his daughter. You understand? Due to yenu kokomo, maybe they tie apart for chest, or maybe according to her daughter say yenu kokomo they dirty. According to her daughter, now she talking for life that her mother is very dirty. Okay, due to all those type of things, maybe now it make the pikin come they do it mama like ew, you know. So everything where im mama they do, it they irritate her. Im mama now they talk so say anything where they do, it they irritate her. Oh, ah, the thing come they tire her say this thing where you they do. That's why I say you be my pikin. I don't like them. I suffer dey my UK. You say make I come for your problem. Make I come solve am. I come. Now, who go me one me go me you put your to who me when me understand. Ya we me. Wetin I do you? Everything bang 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 waiting. Now you call me make I come here. I for dey my own day. I can't help you. But Baba now je vais na me where a problem, you know. No be you they feed me. You know they feed me. He say every now and then. So, and at the same time, he pikin promise her when she go come, Cotomunion, what address, to put address. He go come they tell he pikin, my pikin, you not come do Cotomunion. You not gonna do address. He go say, today, tomorrow, next tomorrow, today, tomorrow, the thing come they go. But he no one do one better, but they say today, tomorrow, next tomorrow, next tomorrow. Okay? Maybe now still be the part where the girl say, he come the verse in mama, which is definitely, if such thing happen to two people, it can happen. If anybody they come to your city or una get plan, you say come help me for something, and the person say, oh, if I reach there now, why help me? They me very, and you say yes. Okay, kegire. The person attitude they come they make una do like this. It they always happen. This type of thing it can happen, but just that manage it properly. So now they not gonna give you no kokomo. Address, they don't want to give an address, okay? And the thing they say, we Amaria when they know where Mudia as a bang condominium, residenza, okay? You know, so if you talk and come wow, this thing they shop and for body say this my pikin. Now you come me make me come help you for your own pikin. Working with me. Now you come they do me like say I just wake up, I just come become something for you. You know they feed me. Not be you they feed me. He say if pikin not they feed them. I say go Italy now they feed itself. Now they even cook. If pikin go come say put more meat, my boyfriend go shop. But if he pikin shop, if he pikin cook, now I ain't they say otiaru ko ni bon wa kiri ya wa mulawa boy. For pikin we invite and say, come help me solve my problem. He say na so when they continue to the live with anything we do, na problem. Na problem. Then she was even trying to say, you know what? Make him come go rent one room for her side. Now he come the plan and they save money towards it. But you know, say at the same time, if somebody will invite you, come, leave your own thing, come to me as daughter, come help me. At the end, they come, they do you kwa. Okay? And everything where you promise, he not one. And you know, say this your pikin, one word the other, and so it fair be. Then you'll be with the baby way again. So, even mama yenuko come the thing go the pepper where be say, you still come, the pikin need you, mommy. Borrow me, you borrow one. But if you need, go work. You know, say that kind of thing. Whether picking or not, it's the best person. Truth of the matter. Say person when not they put water for your head, but all your team, if you need help, all what collect ya. But if you need help from her, even when you go ask, it irritate. It do irritate. But now picking, it go better. But no me say not the irritator. So he said now so this very day of the fighting. Now so where she can go to that team meeting where they say they go. You understand? So that thing meaning if he picking your year saying they go, he go just want make no tell, but now that thing meaning they go making money. Now that thing meaning they go sell a granite. You no go tell me make I don't go because you may a sarok me. You understand? So when he go reach there, according to Frank Victor, the Timini, he get assisted. They say na rugged area for all those type of drinking, smoking, eating, gaming, selling also, yo also he did there. You understand? And the no go come say na then they say he meets. Emi yo ni ya de ni ga fra eva ya na hwe ya na megi ye ya survive. Eva ya na hwe sai bu yin ya survive o bi yon survive yin. You understand? Timini. So na so way and they don't like that Timini make they go. But he must go because you marry Agbonwe we more job when we give me so far make I go carry picking for school for you. Leave me wait here they use my life they do. You understand? So na so if they play game, una don't fair hear that one. He said the reason why not the man picking for you they play game who me ya fear. Where you only made them and I have a game. So it baby video ni lie because the man where you put for us, where you they respect, where they even beat you on top of your own favor. The baba thing when they do work one. We are one young me. So you know those type of things can really like, you know, when you see your own child, it's a big wash plate for man. It's a bit pepper man. It's a bit shut up for man. It's a bit cook for man. And when it comes to your tongue, it can really go deep in feeling of people that pay so much in your life. Washing you. Don't forget, say they can't do the same place. So she said that very day, he don't drop a can be, I don't know. He got Timini. I say go Timini now. Go picking. When picking close, something like that. She was supposed to drop the key when she left the house for somewhere where they drop her. But one way or the other, Iyenu Kokomo did not remember to drop the key. Yeah? Mona listening to this part very well. Many African women, they go there, sell food stuff. So she go there to sell her fried meat. And she sell her groundnut. And she also do her tintin. Because, well, you may do it go be in the day. You feel tintin. So, no Kokomo no remember to put key where he picking supposed to pick key when he comes from work. And the picking believes say because you know they calculative, you are so zaga. Now it make you not know the right thing to do. Yeah? That was now waiting cause problem for two of them be this so. So when the pikin come back from work, check the place where it's supposed to pick key. If mama not drop key, mama mistakenly carry key follow body. If pikin call him mama, where key? Iye no Kokomo check his bag, key dey inside. Oh, la wo me. What will I do now? He say now you and your man go gather come. He say no, his man not they come here until 5 o'clock. Now Iye no Kokomo say okay, wait, make I they come. But they say some are the place is far. You see why driving license is good for this una ye list atamu wabana wa wo no. I wish Iye no Kokomo daughter is driving. Waiting can be train station now. Wa belegbo aje. Waiting be train station to just drive, carry your mama, carry the shopping, carry your picking, carry queue na cons. So before Iyenu Kokomo pikin go enter bus, go where his mama dey go collect key, it will take time. Before Iyenu Kokomo go also carry sumo pikin, they come back house with key, it go also take time, go almost reach the 5 o'clock where the boyfriend go take on. You understand? So So, iye no kokomo pikin na ge osawwe konkoli mama say, weki, iye no kokomo say, iwa musan lelegbe e boswene. La wo vive or wanna kawafi, ijo cut phone for yet. I know how stupid you are, stupid drunk, stupid this, stupid idiot. You are always like this, so I don't even know what you are doing. You are here, get. Oh, women now wafu no. You know what rulemu, be, in con de run. Okay, train station, I'm between mini, okay. So you understand? So now she started the panic again because anytime she do something wrong that her daughter will be angry, she says she always have this panic. She will be shaking. She will even be praying, make she not go do more worse or bagbiwa. She always have this thing. She really said she wanted to really leave because too much of all these type of things. You understand? So she said, so she can't panic that she can't miss the bag again, something like that, where she put it. Halfway home, she have to go back again. Out of panic, she lost the key. And see that it's not with her, she have to go back again. Her daughter, hearing of that, could not even say a word again, was just waiting, maybe a mother come house. Okay? At the end of the day, the boyfriend can come house before he no come. Don't forget, say, when there is no trust between these two people, it be like when your husband, they do kurukere. If he can't kukuma just give any excuse where you know, you don't conclude since. You understand? I think that was Iyenuko common daughter's problem on that day. And she know, say, maybe Iyenuko common go branch wherever he go branch or do whatever he don't like. So when he come kukuma, she say, you not come the time when you promise again, you don't still forget. So the tension was there. Then before Iyenuko come finally bring key come house, his boyfriend don't close, he don't open door, she don't enter. So as Iyenuko come they come, the woman don't the Iyenuko come pikin don't they clean ground, they mop. When Iyenuko come open door, enter house, mash where pikin they clean because if they clean side of door, person need to enter house. As he enter house now, he pikin call and say, see where he dey push you, he can say, ja. Eke bebe ya lagwa, wey imi ama mu ya hiya, oh we hiya ya hiya. I go clean am, there you know. You understand? So that was this thing. He say he pikin, and he can't just do like this, they look am. He say more than whether 5 minutes or be 15 minutes, it might even know your time. Obi na wa mojo no wa ya okole ono wa akole. Okay, now he can go enter house, pull the cloth, tie wrapper on top of shorts, black knicker be pants, tight. You understand? So she can go kitchen. As she can go kitchen, he pikin just still the he just first start with his granddaughter because he never see where to carry her now. He just stand with his daughter now. Hey, that one, hey, that. Or where you are, or here, you ya biyewa. Or may make you no see where enter his body. Go just enter the pikin we follow one. You go just enter that one before everything will come in though for your own head later. You understand? He say he come quiet as he see he dey maltreat that small girl. He come quiet, he never talk. Then I'm missing one part, something like that. Oh, it's like that. So she come dey kitchen, either picking the grind something or the blender dey there. When the boy said the boy and the girl picking, they want go buy igbo. Okay? Now Iyenuko kokomo. All this while, Iyenuko kokomo pikin, they hide smoke igbo from his mama. So, but on that fateful very night, Iyenuko kokomo just heard when she said it and they were going. And Iyenuko kokomo said, so, who were gelesi igbo? that was what triggered the daughter whether come get out of this house and something like that. So Iye Kokomo was angry and break her daughter blender. As he just break his daughter blender, na so way the pikin go meet him mama, get out of this house, also I'm feeling him out of that vaccination of since when she come house, since all the stress when you see for road, when you take the panic for the way you take off phone and chat on, you know say you never he can't even they do everything wrong. Every rock pamagi back. In reach us now, see what this speaking they do me again. Out of that vaccination, say if they throw away, he low me come for now you just holy picking. Give me my money, make me come for this house. Igi me me borrow where ni me wa me go me mo wa go. Wari go me ni me pa you wanare. Finish o. I say your oh picking. He say na so he picking just do one like this. Make the do brick. She just fall to bed like this in comfort top of bed. Vaccination, he picking just start to they talk so many bad things of you know when person they now you are in trouble in my life, you are this in my life, you are that in my life. I hate you. Oh no, why you buy or why you back being you know he almost pass out like until when he raise his head and see that he pikin take knife. To her, according to her, that her pikin wanted to use the knife to shook her neck. Okay? Now he can pull his hand, the knife just go straight to his head. Blood just burst. As blood burst, the pikin not still living. Why you fun no talk? As he call this boy rich, the boy say he no go fit come because Iye Kokomo was naked with wrapper common for body, breast. You know when two people are fighting. But she said she no be pants she wear na tight, black tight. Now she wear no be say to the ground, but na just breast. His granddaughter now come help either bring telephone or call the ambulance and help say that I don't want grandmother to die. Okay? Now the granddaughter somehow help Iye Kokomo and ambulance came. When ambulance came, her daughter was still very, very furious. Angry that you're not living this and you have to buy. And ambulance people heard it. They have to now hold her and saw the knife. And they call police. So when Iye Kokomo come enter, they don't carry and come out with blood. They don't know head wound, but also blood they pass through the eyes. They see that
I don't hear the reason why make Iye Kokomo want go back to Nigeria. Make una best subscribe.